because of this. I got one of these, and because I had one of these, I was able to fix my car. I got a P0302, which is basically cylinder 2 is misfiring. Paired it with the Repair Solutions 2 app, got me more information than I needed. And just as mentioned by the tool, I got one engine code found. Let's see exactly what it meant. And because it showed me the parts detail at the bottom, I was able to find out exactly what part I needed, which was the ignition coil. Swapped that out and was able to get on my way. Oh, there you go. Check engine light gone, and now I drive like a happy camper. The 5610 resolved the mystery of my check engine light. I was able to swap this out really easy and fix the car myself.